Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to be back with another makeup tutorial for you guys today. I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this cranberry smoky eye with this wing. So if you guys want to see how I achieved it, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So jumping right into it, first thing I'm doing is priming my eyelids, and I like to prime with concealer. You can go ahead and prime with whatever product you'd like. I do set my lids with some translucent powder afterwards. For today's palette, I'm using this one right here by Too Faced. It's the Palm Springs palette, and I just got this palette in PR, so I thought I would film a tutorial for you guys. This is not sponsored though, I just decided to use it. So first thing I'm doing is going into my angled brush and that shade BYOB. And the first clip of me applying a transition color kind of got lost or deleted, so I'm super sorry about that. But I just put this peachy shade in my crease, and then I'm just going into that dark brown shade and I'm just applying a line of definition in that very outer part of my crease. And then I'm going into this small tapered brush and going into this orange shade right here. And I'm just going in left to right motions over top of that line, really diffusing it and adding a gradient. And we're just going to slowly start to build depth. In the next step, I'm going to be grabbing an even smaller tapered brush, and I'm going to be going into that dark brown shade once again. This time, getting it even closer to that line of definition and just really building that gradient. So I'm just going in left and right motions and just blending that line out as much as possible. Next, I'm going into this metallic pink shade and my flat brush, and I did wet my brush with a little bit of Fix Plus, and I'm just applying this all over my lid, and the shade is absolutely stunning. Super buildable and super pigmented, so I just went ahead and applied that all over my lid, and then we're going to be applying some depth onto that outer corner. So I went back into that big fluffy tapered brush, and I went into that brown shade, and we're just going to be applying this to the very outer edge and then just dragging inward that product to blend it into that metallic pink shade. And for some more depth, I'm grabbing this pencil brush and some more of that dark brown shade, and we're just going to be applying this just to that very outer edge, that very outer corner. And then we're just going to be doing dragging inward motions. And then I decided to pick up my Anastasia of Beverly Hills Black Liquid Liner. If you guys haven't tried this one out, or if you're on a hunt for a new liquid liner, I absolutely love this one. It's super matte. And then I'm applying my Shop Sophie Bella Bahama lashes. The link to check out our lash company will always be in the description box down below. And then I'm grabbing my CoverGirl Full Spectrum Black Liner, and I'm just applying this into my waterline. And then I'm grabbing the peachy shade in the palette with this smudger brush, and I'm just applying this as close to my lower lashes as possible. We're going to be applying some, building some depth on that very outer corner. So I'm grabbing that same angled brush that we use to apply product in our outer corner of our crease. And then I'm going back into that smudger brush and just kind of blending those two shades together. And then I'm grabbing my Mad Lash mascara by The Balm, and I'm just coating my lower lashes. And then for my inner corner highlight, I'm using my Gilded Light Pop Beauty highlight. And this is the finished look. I really hope that you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And also, if you guys want to be entered for our monthly giveaway, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed, turn your post notifications on, and then comment done down below if you live in the US, because our giveaway is US only for the time being. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!